Paywall and multi-streaming. Let's take a look at the paywall section. Here you can set your own prices in any currency worldwide. Dacast supports them all. Our payment gateway is powered by Stripe, and the transaction fee is 9.9% plus 40 cents per sale. You can also create promotional codes, either to give discounts to late joiners or to offer free access to a partner, a team member, or a specific audience. Now let's move on to engagement and distribution. From here, you can connect your stream to other platforms such as Kick, Meta, YouTube, or any other RTMP server. Just click Connect, choose your platform, and if it's an RTMP destination, enter a name and stream key. Once that's done, Dacast will automatically send your live feed to that platform. You don't need to configure anything else. Everything is managed directly from your Dacast dashboard.